Greetings guys, gals, buddies, and pals. I'm normally referred to as Dezi Perado. And today what I wanted to do was, I wanted to flip a sample. I found this real cool polka kind of thing. I'm going to play it for you. So I'm thinking maybe we could do something with that and make something pretty, I don't know. Let's see what we come up with. But remember, if you like this kind of thing, make sure you like, subscribe, hit notification, all that stuff like that. In the meantime, let's go get started. Alright, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to come back and again show you this sample. It's from this video, the real name of meme songs. But here it is right here.
Hieman suu oli vehnäisellä, koimme se tonne toivotti. Pää oli märkänä jokaisella ja viulu se vonkuja voivotti. Ei tätä poikoo merkys haittaa, sillä konaskoo laijasta laita.
Dude, that thing go kind of hard, bro. I don't know what they're saying, but it sound dope. So let's go see what we could do with this. Alright, so now I got the MP3 of this little meme clip. Where it's at. Alright, this is the part we need. We don't need this other part. I'm just going to cut this one little portion out. Snip there. Delete this. Let's see what else we got here. We don't need this part either. Alright, so this is the sample here. I wonder if we could find the BPMs on this. No. So now I'm just going to guess. Hee hee. I think it's going to be like 117. Let's take a listen. This is just guessing.
Hieman suu oli vehnäisellä, koimme se tonne toivotti. Pää oli märkänä jokaisella ja viulu se vonkuja voivotti.
Good enough. 117, just a lucky guess. Alright. Alright, so now that we know this is close to 117-ish, I think I want it to go slower. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to mute this, and then we'll just play the beat. Now I'm going to decide how slow I want it. Let's see how it sounds at 100. Alright, so that's I think that'll be a good speed. Maybe 95. Maybe 97, 96. Yeah, that sounds a little better. Slow it down, right? So now this is going to be off time because it's still the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, if you hit option, this little weird sign comes up, but you can drag this and actually stretch out the vocals. I know it was kind of like a little, it was like here, right? So I'm going to maybe start here. Let's take a listen. Still too fast. Stretch it out a little bit more. Maybe stretch it out just a little bit more. And we just playing with it right now just to see if we can get it close. That's like perfect. That's like right on. So now that we have that, what I can do now is I can take this and then we're going to just drag this into the optimizer, quick sampler optimizer. And now what's going to happen is we're going to be able to actually cut this up and put this on our piano. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do one shots, or slice rather. It's going to slice up everything. Put it on C1 for me. This is too many though, so I'm just going to actually use this little knob to figure out the slices. Honestly, I'm gonna go to beat division. This is the one that kind of gets closer here. 4 beats, 8 beats, so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit gate, this button to follow tempo. All right. And then you can mess with the release here. So what the release does is just literally releases the key and you let it go. If I bring it all the way in, when I pick my finger up, you see it cuts off as soon as I let go. If I bring this out, plays the whole loop where it's cut. Word. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just mess around with this and I'm gonna make my cuts. So the first one. Okay, so now I made my cuts and we got, these are the samples. Alright, I think I'm actually pitched this up to 3. So that could be an opening. And what can we do for a beat? Maybe like this. 3, okay. I was thinking what we could do now is maybe add a counter melody to this to kind of, put it all together and make it sound like something. Because right now it just kind of sounds like voices, right? So let me go find an instrument. I think I wanted to try the Contact again. Or not again, but Contact. And then go to instruments, and then I want to try the hybrid keys. I think I want to use this sound. Alright, so let's try to record this. 2, 3, 4. I think maybe we can do a little reverb. Distortion. Clarity, so between 1,000 and 3,000 hertz for clarity. Put some 500. I'll put the output down so it doesn't clip. Drive. Put it on 9-ish. Now let's. I found this other sound too in this Octave plugin called Dracula. expression 1 pad. I'm gonna go do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I was digging through alchemy and I found this other sound here. Pizzicato, Wet Cave. It's another one of my favorites. I wanted to go something like, okay, let's see if I can just hit record here. Okay. I'm gonna just use the 808 for the bass. Something like this. I'm gonna just put the little pizzicato wave or wet cave, just so I can hear that with the bass by itself. 2, 3. Delete this, then we can just do to quantize 1/16. Now I hit edit, select all. Then I'm gonna go to edit again. I'm gonna go to transpose, -12. Preset manager, 808. It's foul now. This thing is foul. Let me gain stage just a little bit, bring this down a little bit more. Oof. All right. Okay, so now I'm thinking about what should I do for drums. I'm gonna get my phone out because I have to record it so I can listen to it as I make it. I like to do this with my mouth. Let me go to and put the volume up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Are we good? Okay, let's go. All right, let's see if we could do something like that. Let's go build this out now. I bought in some drum sounds to the drum sampler. I got some kicks, a snare, a clap, closed hi-hat, open hi-hat, and another hi-hat for rolls. So 2 kicks, a snare, a clap, closed, open, and this one here's for rolls. That kind of thing, right? One thing I wanted to point out about these kicks first is this. Check this out. This is a kick. But if you have headphones on, you can hear that the frequency is actually in the lower hertz, like probably like under 100. This one's higher. Look, this is lower, this is higher, but together they make like a fuller sound. The same thing with the snare, the claps. The claps has a high cut on it. You can hear it in the headphones. I can hear it in the headphones. A high cut. The snares are somewhere in the middle, but together we get a full sound. That's why. You get what I'm saying? We could play 2 kicks, a snare, and a clap together to get a full bouquet of sounds. And then we have the... That's for rolls. All right, so let's see if we can actually make this pattern. And then what I'll do is I'll make this into 64 steps. This is 30. Do a 5 here, another 5 here, another 5 here. I wanted to give another tip on this. If you're using Logic Pro Studios and you used a sequencer like I did, which is this, you can actually get this and convert it to a MIDI file so you can actually see all the little dots on the piano grid. So what we have to do is right click, convert to MIDI region. That's under MIDI. Or where is this actually? Convert. It's under convert. Convert to MIDI region. Boom, that's going to separate everything and put it on the piano grid now. If you wanted to separate this by sound, meaning put everything on its own track, again, you can right click on it, go down to MIDI, separate by note pitch. Boom, when you open this up, now you'll see all your sounds are going to be separated by their own strip here. So look, this is the kicks by itself, you know, claps, and so on and so forth. Now everything's on its own channel strip, meaning you can mix everything separately. That's what I like to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go try to mix this and turn this to a proper beat. We'll be right back with the final product to see if we can give this a listen. So what I ended up doing was I ended up pitching up the closed hi-hats. I didn't even put any open hi-hats, which is fine. So maybe I'll just delete this track because we don't even need it. I mixed the kicks a little bit. I brought the sounds down. I put another effect on the sample, which was just an amplifier to make it sound more like echoey. But let's play this full beat so you can check it out. I think it came out pretty good. You let me know what you think. Hey. 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 We just play that. Other hi-hats closed. It's the part I like right here, coming up right here. Yeah. So that's the beat. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you come across any silly samples or anything that we want to make a beat out of, send it to me. I'll take a look, see if we can do something with it.